Welcome to Stack's Bowers Galleries. You have just taken the first step in realizing top market price for your property. Since 1933, we have specialized in buying and selling the world's most valuable rarities and most prominent collections. Our team, with centuries of combined experience, offers every client the opportunity to achieve their numismatic goals through auctions, retail buying and selling, financial backing, and expertise. Whether your collection is valued at $10,000 or more than $10 million, let us share our success with you. How can I find out how much my property is worth? We are happy to provide you with a free estimate of value in the following ways. You can send us photos of your merchandise along with all the necessary information by email to info@stacksbowers.com or by first-class mail. You can bring your property in person to us at our New York offices. We do free walk-in appraisals on most Mondays and Fridays between 1 and 4 p.m. You can schedule an appointment with one of our world-renowned experts at any time. For large collections, our specialists will visit you at your home, bank, or office at your convenience. We'll advise you on what we'd expect your coins, currency, or metals to bring and discuss our commission rate. The commission rate, a percentage held by the auction house to cover costs, depends on the size and value of your consignment. Stack's Bowers Galleries does not charge an extra fee for photography, security, storage, marketing, catalog presentation, or insurance. Many other auction houses do. I am ready to sell. What happens next? When your last question has been answered, and you've decided that Stack's Bowers Galleries will showcase your collection at auction, we will send you a contract with all the pertinent information that we discussed, which you will sign and send back to us. We then arrange receipt of your consignment. Of course, this can all be done at the same time with a personal visit or appointment. Once your property is in our hands, our insurance takes effect, and our experts go to work for you. Your consignment will be professionally photographed, cataloged, marketed to our worldwide list of proven buyers, and safely stored the entire time it is in our hands. Prior to the auction, our team will combine all the material for an auction event and place the items in the sale in order with lot numbers. The catalog will be printed for distribution, and all items will be published on our website. A global pre-auction marketing campaign will commence, which includes ads in trade and club publications, brochures, direct mail, online banner ads, and targeted email messages. During the week prior to the auction, your property will be on exhibition at the auction venue. The day of the auction, thousands of people will be bidding in person, on the phone, and on the internet. When the lot that contains your property comes up, the auctioneer will open the bidding. Once the bidding stops, the lot is sold, and the amount at which the hammer falls is the hammer price. We pay you 45 days after the sale. Hammer price less your commission. Stack's Bowers Galleries has been at the forefront of numismatics for over 80 years, handling more prominent collections and rarities than any other coin auction firm in the world. You can count on us to provide you with honesty, professionalism, integrity, personal service, scholarly expertise, financial security, and top market price for your collection. Thank you for taking the time to hear about selling through Stack's Bowers Galleries. If you have any questions about selling or buying from us, please be in touch. We look forward to hearing from you.